Are you the one holding too many stocks in your stock portfolio? Or do not know how to create a balanced portfolio meeting your expected returns? Confused with too many choices in this constantly changing scenarios of stock market? Well, it's time for you to use the Portfolio Optimizer tool by Tradebulls. Tradebulls Portfolio Optimizer is a unique tool which would analyze and suggest you a right set of stocks to help you maximize your wealth. It will guide you whether you have invested in the right companies at the right time in the right proportion, considering the foreseeable future which could meet your expected returns. The tool's highly optimized research engines would evaluate your existing holdings and suggest the necessary customizations by aligning your folio to meet your expected goals. It would not only provide you with a detailed investment plan, but would also help you monitor its progress throughout your investment journey. To unlock the potential of this tool and boost your portfolio performance, just follow this simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Log in to www.tradebulls.in and click on the Portfolio Optimizer tool under the tab Products and Services. Step 2. Once you enter your login data, you will be directed to this page where you would be able to add, optimize, or analyze your portfolio. Step 3. Then, input your portfolio details primarily based on your Demat account, which includes the name of stock, date of purchase, the quantity of every stock, and click on Add. Step 4. Let us discover ways to know this product through an example. If the name of the stock is Amara Raja Batteries, all you need is to select the stock's name from the drop-down menu and fill the required information and click Add, after which it will be added to your portfolio. Similarly, you could upload various stock details and notice how your portfolio appears. Step 5. When you've got your portfolio ready, click on the tab Analyze. Analyze gives you an overview of your portfolio analysis and describes your overall portfolio. Step 6. Once you perceive the analysis of your portfolio, you will be able to click on Optimize for the best suggestions on existing stocks. Step 7. When you optimize, it'll direct you towards the screen showing your portfolio score and ask if you would like suggestions to boost your portfolio score. Step 8. When you opt for this suggestion, it'll ask information concerning your risk appetite. Very low risk appetite is called conservative, followed by moderate, balanced, aggressive, and very aggressive, which means your risk appetite is high. Just for now, say you choose Balance tab to balance your portfolio and proceed to the final step by clicking the Next tab. Step 9. On this page, Portfolio Optimizer will advocate you the most effective choices to create a profitable balanced portfolio. But note that unless you are a registered user of Tradebulls Securities, you will not be able to see all the content details within the recommended list. However, only one recommendation detail would be available to you, while the rest of the other recommendations would be blurred. Step 10. You can return at any time, change your risk appetite, and even the stocks to find what suits you best. So, what's stopping you now? Use our Portfolio Optimizer tool to create the right portfolio aiming towards your desired investment goals. As always, Tradebulls is here to hold your hand and guide you through in your investment journey. For more information, log on to www.tradebulls.in.